Good day and welcome to our channel. This is the best fashion tutorials, and today we'll be learning how to sew a sleeve cuffs. Yes, so first of all, you cut out your thick collar gum. This is 3 inch by 10 inches. So now we slant it using 0.6. So we give it a slant. It will be a perfect notch. You duplicate the notch on all the sides. Make sure it's perfect. Then we'll go ahead and gum the thick collar gum on the fabric. So you fold it just like this. Make sure it's up to 1 inch above, and then you fold it down just like this. Then we sew 1/2 inch first on the top. Take your time, be careful so that you get your points perfectly. Make your line straight. So now when sewing this part, make sure you don't sew very close to the gum. Give it a little gap so you can be able to turn it. So the same thing applies to the second side. So that reminds me, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so that you will always be notified when I post content like this. This is all I post: sewing videos, how to upgrade your skills, and how to make you a better fashion designer. So this is the gap I was telling you about. Make sure there's a gap. Don't sew exactly at the edge of the gun. So right before we fix it, we have to press it, iron it properly, and bring out the proper lines to make sure it's flat. Then we fix it to the sleeve. Please don't go away. Guys, I've designed an online class specially made for you, irrespective of where you are. This class will be holding on the month of August, from the 5th of August to the 31st of August. It will be very, very detailed and explanatory. So guys, book your slots. I'll be putting the link to my WhatsApp group on the description of this video. Please go there, click on it, and learn how you can book for the class. Thank you. So right now I'll be fixing the cuffs. Make sure you maintain the same allowance you used in starting. Make sure you sew exactly at the edge of the cuffs. So at this one we are sewing with 1/2 inch, which is 0.5. Take your time, guys, don't rush it. So right now I'll be closing it up. Make sure your sewing covers the first line your first sewing. Make sure the last sewing sews on top of it. That's what will give it a neat finishing. So guys, at this point, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please guys, subscribe, like our videos, you know, help promote this channel, guys. All right, now you sew the top stitch on it, 1/4 inch all round. Make sure your line is straight and accurate. So if you've made it to this point of this video, I want to congratulate you. I want to thank you for sticking around. So I've also made a video on how to make this hand placket you're seeing right here. The video is right here on your screen. Click on it and then I'll see you in the class. Thank you.